Hello everyone, good afternoon all of you. Welcome back to your online classes. Today I am going to teach you new chapter. But in new chapter I'll teach you new topic, and today we are going to learn a different example by through the charts and other example by any models or any things or any toys. So students, first of all, today before starting our sessions, let's check here today's quote. So students, what is today's quote? Now let's check here. So today's quote is, work hard, be kind, and amazing things will happen. What do every time I am telling you, students, do work hard, be kind, and amazing things will happen with you. Okay, got my points. Then after, students, okay, first of all let's check here what we have done in last sessions. So students, we have done in last lecture, we have done in revision, then after building skill. But there what we have learned on building skill, not enough information. It means what? Not enough information means what? Not enough information means problem has not given full data about things, about any person, about any something different things. Okay, then after exercise number 3rd G. But exercise number 3rd G is based on related on which exercise number 3rd G is related on which topic? A building skill, not enough information. And that and for example, because of for example, any problems has no full information, do not have any information. So that's why what to do? That's why after answer we write as like that, not enough information. What should be write that time? That time we should be write not enough information. Got my point, all students? So we have done this topic, exercise number 3rd G we have done. And then further, students, in last lecture we have started multiplication. Okay, what is a multiplication? We know about in not details but some definition, by some definition. So students, now today we are going to learn, but what? Now let's check here. Today we are going to learn revision of last lecture. Okay, revision of last lecture. Then after chapter number 4 is which chapter number 4? Multiplication. Then looking back of multiplication and using array in multiplication. Okay, by the using of arrays in a multiplication. And then after, multiply by 7. What, students? Multiply by 7. Okay, I hope you all are understood. One thing, all students, keep it in mind always what to do whenever you are do anything. So you have aim or goal in your set goal, or set something, decide anything. Okay, you have a decide one this today exercise number 7. For example, today exercise number 3rd A. Anyhow I do it, my exercise number 3rd A. Understood? So students, you have a one motto in daily. Okay, so students, during the lecture what to do, and we are going to learn. Okay, we are going to learn. So these all points, keep it in mind. Revision of last lecture. Then after, what to do? Then after chapter number 4, looking back, and then multiplication, using, and then new topic, using array in a multiplication. What? Using arrays in multiplication. Then after, multiplying by 7. What? Multiplying by 7. Got my point, all students? Then after further, multiplying by 7 and table number 7. So now let's check what we have done in previous sessions. So first of all, we learn about these all things. Okay, so students, in last sessions we have done these all things, but again I'll repeat to you. So looking back, Apurva has organized his collection of teddies according to color. name of boy Apurva has organized his collection of teddies according to color. What here Apurva? It's the name of boy, and and he has organized his collection of teddies. Teddies means here teddy bear. Okay, teddies according to a color. How many teddies Apurva have? So he collect a collection of teddies by a different color, and how many teddies does Apurva have? So totally how many groups and how many teddy it has. Understood? So now let's check here. Here is different types of teddies. Okay, and different types of teddy and group. So here is first group number 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many groups are here, all students? 1, 2, 3 and 4 groups are here. 4 groups of teddies here. Okay, and then each group, how many teddies? So let's count. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8 or 9, 10, 11 or 12. So each group has 3, 3, 3. Each group has 3 teddies. Okay, how many? Okay, how many teddies in each group? In each group, 3 teddies are there. Got my points? In one group, in each group, for example, one, or we not speak as like one, we say that, we tell us as like that, each group has 3 teddies. See here, group number 1 has 3 teddies, group number 2 has 3 teddies, 2 has 3 teddies, 3 has 3 teddies, and group number 4 has 3 teddies. So here 3 teddies, each group has 3 teddy, and total here totals 4 groups. Understood? Here all are how many groups? 4 groups are there. Okay, 4 groups are there. Got my point, all students? So number of group, how many groups are there here? 4 groups are there here. Okay, and then number in each group. Each group has how many teddy? Each group has 3 teddy. So here remember, all students, table number 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and 4 3s are 12. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and 4 3s are 12. So how can we know 4 and 3? We got the answer, but how can come and where and which place come a 4 and 3? So 4 is coming by how many groups of teddy here? 4. So that's why we wrote number of groups 4, and each group has how many teddies? 3 teddies. So we wrote a 3. So number in each group 3. So as like that we do, 4 3s are 12. How many, all students? 4 3s are 12. Got my point, all students? 4 3s are 12, as like that. So we write answer as like that. Apurva has 12 teddies. How many teddies? 12 teddies. So now it's an example of a multiplication. Now let's check here some important line or important instructions or definition also. So when each group has the same number, each group has, see now, all students, remember in example, all numbers are in all group has the same number of teddies. Okay, how many groups are there? Here 4 groups are there, but same number of teddies. See here, same number, 3 teddies, here 3 teddies, and here 3 teddies. So they told as like that. So we use a multiplication, find out how many are there in all. Understood? When we are using that time, we find in the multiplication because of same number. There are 4 group, and each group how many teddies. So that time we use a multiplication, find out how many are there in all. Got my point, all students? Okay, now here some instructions useful in our multiplication chapter. So let's see here. Let's check here, students, what is here important instruction for a multiplication. So here is any number multiplied by 1 is that number itself. What? Any number multiplied by 1. What? Any number means, for example, I am taking 1. So 1 multiplied by 1 is that number itself. Okay, 2 ones are 2, 3 ones are 3, 4 ones are 4. Okay, I hope you all are remember those things what I told you as in previous lectures. Any number multiplied by 1 is that number itself. Okay, again I'll repeat you, any number multiplied by 1. Any number multiplied by 1 is that number itself. Understood? So 1 ones are 1 is equal to 1. 1 twos are 2. 1 threes are 3. 1 fours are 4. 1 fives are 5. 1 sixes are 6. 1 sevens are 7. 1 eights are 8. 8 ones are 8, as like that. 9 ones are 9. Understood? Any number multiplied by with 1, so we got answer itself. Okay, as it is number. Got my point? It's your first point. Now then second point is what? Any number multiplied by 0. Understood? Second point is what? Any number multiplied by 0 is always 0. What? Any number, first point is what? Any number multiply 1 is that number itself. Okay, number is that itself, but here always 0 in one number itself, and here any number multiplied by 0 is always 0. Understood? Got my point, all students? Any number multiplied by 0 is always 0. For example, 5 zeros are 0. I'll give you more example. 1 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 3 zeros are 0, 4 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0, 6 zeros are 0, 7 zeros are 0, 8 zeros are 0. As like that, any number multiplied by 0 is always 0. Understood? Any number multiplied by 0 is always 0. Understood, all students? Now difference. The order of number beginning multiplied does not matter. Okay, multiplied does not matter. You ask question, sir, I am only give the answer. I am not able to reading this chapter of question. So what I am tell you, yes beta, you can do it. Okay, so it's not matter here. We write in any matter, doesn't not a matter. Okay, first of all, I am right as opposite side. 4 multiplied by 5. So I have, and my wish is what? I am right this type of sum. So 5 fours are okay, and my wish is right as like that. 4 fives are, so we should be right as like that. 4 fives are 20 and 5 fours are 20. Understood? 5 fours are 20 and 5 fours are 20 and 4 fives are 20 and 5 fours are 20. Understood, all students? 5 fours are 20, 5 fours are 20 and 4 fives are 20. Both are same answer. See now, 4 fives are 20 and 5 fours are. Here only difference are factors. See here 4, so here 5, and here 5, so here 4. But answer is same. Okay, now let's check here. The number that are multiplied. What? The number that are multiplied called the factor. Again I'll repeat you students. The numbers that are multiplied. This number multiplied are called the factors. Okay, this both. Because of one short trick I'll give you here. Whenever is equal to comes before is equal to any number of before is equal to, it's called a factor, and after is equal to any digits are we got, it's called product. Understood what I am telling you all students? Okay, the numbers that are multiply are called the factor. It means before is equal to any number, and any number it's called a factor, and after is equal to we wrote any number, so it's called product. Got my point, all students? Okay, now the answer after a multiplication is called the product. What? The answer after multiplication is called the product. As per I say, after is equal to what should be write that after is equal to we should be called this digit product. Understood? That's my point. Okay, now see, this is example of what is a factor and product. See, 4 and 5 before is equal to both number, so we call the factors, and after is equal to 20. What we called of 20? We called a 20. How many? 20. Okay, so it's a product. Understood, all students? I hope you all are understand that betterly. Okay, so now today's new topic we have done, but again I am telling you, okay, one more topic is left for in last lecture. So using arrays in multiplication, a log picks up a rock means what I am telling you, a stone. Okay, you are play with a stone as like that. Okay, rocks, stone, from every new place that he goes to a remember of the place. Okay, so a log pick up a rock from every new place that he goes. Here a log name of any children boy goes to a remember. Okay, this place, that place, he remember of the place, and this is collection of rocks. Okay, whenever we are go at a seashore, so what you are bringing with us? We are bringing what with us? Memories. Okay, and for memorize some things we are bringing. For example, a log what collect for it's near to seashore, rocks. Okay, so he collect of rocks. Here how many groups are there? Here two groups are. Here one groups, and here again one groups. Okay, one and one groups. So how many groups are there here, all students? Here two groups are there. So see here, read the first this detail. Two group of two group of, here two group. 2 means number of group. Here how many numbers of group? Here students, 2 number of groups. Then after number in each, okay, means each group has how many rocks? Each group has how many rocks? So now we count it. In each group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. In each group has 6 rocks. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Means 6 plus 6 is equal to how many? 12. So here 2 group are there, and each group has 6 rocks are there. What all students? Got my point? 2 groups are there, and each group has 6 rocks are there. So we do as like that, all students. 2 6, 2 group, and 6 is in one group. Okay, 6 rocks in one group. So 6 2s are how many? 12. 6 2s are 12. So 2 is like that we do. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. Otherwise we do as like that. 6 2s are 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Understood, all students? This is my topic is what? Using arrays in multiplication. Today is our topics. Okay, and then now second example, we can also arrange rocks in equal row like this. It's not a second example, but difference method. Okay, no need to arrange the rock any groups as like that, or not a specified method. We anyhow we arrange the rocks. So here they arrange rocks in a straight side. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so six six what rocks, six rocks in two group. Okay, each group has a six rocks, and how many groups are there? Two. So two number of row and number in each row. Okay, see here how many row. Okay, this side is called a row and column. Okay, so row and column it's called array. Any form of, see now here, six number of row. Here how many row? It's called a row. Column means what? This type of column. Okay, so see, this is, it's called a, how many row and column? Column is it's called a column. Okay, and it's called a row. I'll show you in different example in different chapter. Okay, so number of row 2, see here 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2, but how many row? 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Look at that, my arrow, all students. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Number in each row, how many? 6. And number of row, how many? 1 and 2. So 2 6 are 12 or 6 2s are 12. So what we are write that when you are arrange objects or picture in the row and columns, it's called array. Understood? Now we understand by a different example. So here second example, arrays help us represent a multiplication concept. What is the use of arrays? A use of arrays as a array help us represent multiplication concept. Which concept? Represent multiplication concept. So arrays help us represent multiplication concept. Got my point, all students? This array has 3 row and 4 column. See here, this column and this row and column. This array has 3 row and 4 column. See, we count how many rows here? 1 2 and 3. This straight is 1 2 and 3, and column 1 2 3 and 4. Understood? It's called a 3 by 4 array. What we call that time? It is called a 3 by 4 array. The row are equal, so we can also use multiplication to describe it's a 3 rows of 4 each and 3 groups of each, or 3 by 4. So see here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. See, how can it possible? Here how many are circles? 4 and 4. Okay, and 4 4. Okay, it's a straightforward, but this side is 3 and 3. So 3 multiplied by 4. Okay, so this is by 3 array showing you. Okay, 3 4s are, okay, 3 4s are 12. Understood? I hope you all are understood. 3 4s are 12. Now this is by a 5. This is 5 by 3 array. What? This is 5 by 3 array. So now let's check here 5 by 3 array. What is 5 by 3 array? 5 by 3 array is equal to 15. But now how many rows are? 1 2 3 4 5. See, count here, 5 5 5, and this type of 3. Understood? 5 5 and 5, and this side of 3. Understood? So if we turn into its side, we get a 3 by 5 array showing 3 by 5. 5 circles and upper side 3. Understood? Otherwise upper side 3 and this side 5 is equal to 15. 3 5s are 15. 5 3s are 15. Understood? I hope you all are understood. Now a question, new topic is that multiply by 7. What? Multiply by 7. So now new topic is what? Multiply by 7. Let's check here, all students. Multiply by 7. So you know the 6 time tables very well. I hope you all know the table number 6. Okay, so they told us, a book told us, you know the six timetables very well. We know very well. Understood? So six timetables very well we know. You also know order property of multiplication. What you know means they ask a children to her parents or his parents. So what you also know the order property of multiplication. So when you learn the server timetable, you learn only three new multiplication. What? Here only we learn three new multiplication. Got my points? So now let's check here how it's possible. 7 here. How many groups of book? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and we count. In each group has how many book? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Understood? Here is the blanks about a book, and book here is how many group? 7 group. Understood? 7 group, and each group has 7 book. So 7 plus, see here, 1, 1, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 plus 7, 7 plus 7, 14, 14 plus 10, 21. So here all students, you know here how many groups of a book? 7, and each group has 7 books. So 7 multiplied by 7. See, 7 group of 7 are here. So 7 sevens are 49. 7 sevens are 49. And then now a flower vase, bouquet of flower vase. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or 8. Here how many groups of a flower? Here 8 groups of flower, and each group has 7 flowers. So 8 sevens are 56. Understood? Here 59 and here 56. I hope you all are understood. Then now second things. Okay, so let's check here what is this actually. Here a group of grapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9. Here 9 groups of grapes, and each group has how many grapes? 7. Each group has how many group? Each group has 7 grapes. Each group has 7 grapes. And how many groups are here? 9 groups are here. So students, 9 sevens are how many? 9 sevens are 63. How many all students? 9 sevens are 63. I hope you all are understood. Then after last one, build the 7 timetables by the counting of beats. Understood? This is the all bar model of beats. Okay, by the method of beats. It's called a model of beats. Understood all students? That time what to do? Build the 7 timetables to the counting of number of beats. So here we counting. How many group are here? 1 group. And how many bits are there? There are only 7 bits. So 1 sevens are 7. So we should be right here 7 ones are 7, but using order properly. Okay, whenever we learn the table, so we are using a properly and learn properly by a step by step. 1 ones are 1 twos are 1 threes are, not as like that. Whenever we are sleeping or seeing the movie, that time I'll do my homework, I'll make my face. It is not a proper thing, it's not a good thing. Understood? So here whenever you learn the table, so you should be right in proper format. Then after how many groups? See here, you are not visible and you are not countable all bits, but I am telling you here in all things, 7 group, all things there are 7 group bits. Okay, in all groups there are, in each group has 7 bits are there. So in one here, okay, here 2 groups, here 2 groups. So first of all we write 2, but each group has how many bits? 7. So 7 plus 7 14. Okay, 7 plus 7 40. So we should be right like that. 7 multiplied by 2, 7 twos are 40. Then after 3, how many groups are there? 3. So 3 multiplied by 7, 7 3 is a on the 21. Then after 4, 4 multiplied by 5. Then after 4 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 5, 7 multiplied by 6, 7 multiplied by 7, 7 multiplied by 8, 7 multiplied by 9, 7 multiplied by 10. Understood? Again I will be teach you in next session. I hope you all are remember and understood. Okay, all students. And this is your homework table number 7. You have to write in your fair book, sorry, rough book. Thank you so much all of you, and stay home, stay safe. Thank you all students.